Here we have Chief and Jackie, and they're going to do some tricks for us. Going to do a little come into a sit. Well done. And then we got a spin. Beautiful spin. Which through the hoop. And through the hoop. One more. Yay. Well done. And a little bit higher. Oh, okay, that works too. So cute. They're having fun with this hoop game. And through.
Oh no, Chief!
She's taking it with them.
Oh no! So it's stuck with the first one. Okay,
Yeah, through. There you go. Good job, guys. Cutie.